rapid weight loss. Number 1. No gluten, no grains, and no products containing grains. Number 2. Remove all traces of grains, gluten, sugar, and other grains-related products. Number 3. Eliminates fast food, junk food, and other industrial byproducts. Number 4. Yummy al gusto legumes, nutrient-dense vegetables such as potatoes, colorful vegetables, beer, unprocessed meat, fish, eggs, linseed, chia seeds, and yogurt. Number 5. Cook with olive oil, beef tallow, pasture butter or coconut oil. Number 6. Eat fruit only after sports. Number 7. Don't be afraid of protein powder. It supports you in your goals. Whey protein and collagen protein of the highest quality are best suited for this. Number 8. Do endurance sports twice a week for at least 30 minutes. Really break a sweat by going hard and pushing yourself to your limits. Number 9. Do weight training twice a week, putting a strain on the whole body. Number 10. On the other 3 days, a brisk and long walk is enough. Number 11. Team sports are also fine, as long as you sweat properly. Number 12. Reach 10,000 steps every day. Number 13. If possible, work standing up instead of sitting. Number 14. Integrate movement into your commute. Number 15. Start the day energized with a cold shower, ideal is 3 to 5 minutes. Number 16. Shoot weekly before and after pictures. Number 17. Measure your abdominal and waist circumference weekly. Number 18. Weights can be deceiving. Muscle is much heavier than fat, which means your weight can remain static even if you're shedding pounds. Number 19. Find an accountability buddy. Number 20. If you place a bet where a trusted person of your choice donates a large sum of money to an organization they are dubious about, for example Trump's election as president, then you won't reach your goal, believe me. This is how you're guaranteed to reach your goal. Number 21. After a few weeks, you can really hit the ground running 1 day a week and eat whatever you feel like. The only condition, an extra hour of sport on this day. Number 22. Always take a deep breath and enjoy life. Number 23. The way to reduce anxiety is by doing one thing at a time and maintaining focus on one task. Number 24. Visualize your goal daily. What do you look like when you reach it, and how does it feel? Do this every day. Like and subscribe.